Hello friends! Today we will be doing the important events for January 2020 in multiple choice question form. This session is for GK section of TISMAT 2021 and it is powered by Brahma Ganita. So here comes the first question. Who was awarded Padma Vibhushan 2020 posthumously? Option A, Arun Jaitley. Option B, Sushma Swaraj. Option C, both. Option D, none. Take 5 seconds. The correct answer is both. Coming to next question. The next question, which Indian industrialist won the Order of Australia award? Option A, Lakshmi Mittal. Option B, Mukesh Ambani. Option C, Azim Premji. Option D, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Take your time. Well, here is a hint. The industrialist we are talking about is the founder of Biocon, and this award was given because the economic dependence of Australia and India were strengthening. Did you guess that? Yes, the founder of Biocon is Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. The next question, which rocket launched the GSAT-30 communication satellite from French Guiana, South America? Option A, PSLV. Option B, Apollo. Option C, Ariane 5. Option D, STS-66. Think about it. The correct answer over here is Ariane 5. Coming to next question, which Indian state would have 3 capitals? This is very important and very interesting question. 3 capitals. Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Maharashtra. Think about it for a while. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which Indian monument has been included in Shanghai Cooperation Organization? The options are A, Taj Mahal. B, Statue of Unity. C, Adiyogi. D, Lotus Tower. I hope most of you got the correct answer. The correct answer is Statue of Unity. Coming to next question. Where has ISRO announced to establish Astronaut Training Center? ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. The options are Bengaluru, Chalakere, Mysore, Pune. Think about it for a while. Well, I give you a hint for this. Thank me later. The hint is training for Gaganyaan project is going on. Got the answer? It's Chalakere. The next question. Who has been appointed the new managing director of State Bank of India? Option A, M. Ahluwalia. Option B, Manoj Das. Option C, Nivasulu Shetty. Option D, Anand Kumar. Think for 5 seconds. The correct answer is Nivasulu Shetty. The next question. Which country was withdrawn from the European Union in January 2020? This is a very important question. Please think on this. Option A is Switzerland. Option B, Belgium. Option C, the United Kingdom. Option D, Germany. The correct answer is the United Kingdom. The next question. How much stake of Air India is the Indian government has proposed to sell under its disinvestment process? Option A, 20%. Option B, 76%. Option C, 51%. Option D, 100%. Think about it. The correct answer is 100%. Earlier, government had 76% stake and it is selling the entire stake to private individuals. Next question. What is the function of Money, mobile added note identifier app launched by RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Option A, fake note identification by visually impaired. Option B, digital transfers. Option C, both. Option D, none. Think about this for a while. Through this app, a person can take the picture through his mobile phone of the note, and then the mobile phone, the app basically reads out the denomination of the currency. So basically it is option A, fake note identification by visually impaired. The next question, which is the cleanest city in India according to Swachhata Sarvekshan report? Option A, Lucknow. Option B, Rajkot. Option C, Indore. Option D, Navi Mumbai. Any idea? By the way, I have a hint for you. The hint is, it is also called as Mini Bombay. Well, almost all of you got it correct. The correct answer is Indore. Now comes the next question. On whose life is the book Karma Yodha Granth is based? Option A, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option B, Amit Shah. Option C, Baba Ramdev. Option D, Narendra Modi. Take 5 seconds for this. The correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The book was unveiled by the Home Minister Amit Shah. Next question. Which film has been given the Golden Globe for Best Picture Drama Award for 2020? Option A, 1917. Option B, Irishman. Option C, Joker. Option D, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Well, being the good man I am, I'll give you a hint this time as well. It is based on First World War. Any guesses? The correct answer is 1917. Next question. Who won the Australian Open Male for 2020? Option A, Roger Federer. Option B, Rafael Nadal. Option C, Novak Djokovic. Option D, none. You have 5 seconds for this. Well, a hint. He won in the 2019 as well. The correct answer is Novak Djokovic. Next question. Who won the Australian Open Female for 2020? Option A, Sophia Kenin. Option B, Zhang Shuai. Option C, Naomi Osaka. Option D, none. Think about this. The correct answer is Sophia Kenin. She is from USA. Here comes the next question. Who is the current president of Brazil? Option A, Hamilton Mourão. Option B, Michel Temer. Option C, Jair Bolsonaro. Option D, Michel de Paula. Take your time. This question is important because the president of Brazil is friends with Prime Minister Modi. And he recently tweeted about Lord Hanuman because he wanted to procure COVID vaccine from India. The correct answer is Jair Bolsonaro. And if you like to see the picture, his tweet, this is how it is. It says Dhanyavad Bharat and in Brazilian language, Obrigado India. This image is tweeted by President Bolsonaro himself. Coming to next question. In which city is India's first war memorial for animals would be made? So here we have to keep in mind it is for animals. Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Patna. Option C, Lucknow. Option D, Meerut. Take your time. The correct answer is Meerut. Well, I hope that all of you are marking your answers side by side and please keep checking. And whatever your score is, please comment. Next question. Which Indian was awarded the Crystal Award by World Economic Forum? This is actually an important question. Option A, Shah Rukh Khan. Option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option D, Deepika Padukone. Think about it. And this is for the year 2020 because we are talking about January 2020. This year Crystals Award have not yet been given, but they would be given soon. And when I'll make a video on January 2021 important events, we'll talk about this. The correct answer is Deepika Padukone. And she was given this award because of her work in mental health. Coming to next question. Who won Grammy Award for the Best Artist in 2019? Grammy is given for music. Option A, Bad Guy. Option B, Rihanna. Option C, Beyonce. Option D, Billie Eilish. Think about it for a while. The correct answer is Billie Eilish. Here comes the next question. Where was the 50th annual meeting of World Economic Forum held? This was in 2020, and this year it will be 51st annual meeting, which we'll be talking about, as I said earlier. The options are A, Davos, Switzerland. Option B, Geneva, Switzerland. Option C, Singapore. Option D, Helsinki, Finland. Think about it. The correct answer is Davos, Switzerland. Next question. What was the theme for Raisina Dialogue? In bracket, India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics 2020 held in New Delhi. This is held every year in New Delhi and started from the year 2016. Options are green environment, navigating the alpha century, the new normal, new geometrics. Think about it. The correct answer is navigating the alpha century. Now comes the bonus question. Which word has been announced as the Oxford Hindi Word of the Year 2019? Share your answers in the comment section and let's see who gets it correct. Note down these important dates of January month.